Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Craig and I'm back with another chasing in-depth tutorial. And today what we're gonna do is we're gonna talk about the backpack. We're here in beautiful Windansea Beach in San Diego. It's a beautiful day. I wish I was out in the water, but I'm working for you guys. Now, we have this backpack and we have another backpack coming out that's very similar to it. So don't get discouraged to buy either of them. They're both really great for hiking in, hiking out of places, and just having a real nice, comfortable backpack to carry all of your stuff. So first, we'll show you the backpack. Really simple backpack. It's got great shoulder padding up here on the top. You have two nice shoulder pads. And then for when you're traveling and you pull up your luggage thing, this slides right in and then it just attaches to your luggage really easy. In the back, you got a zipper to put all kinds of different things. I keep my screwdriver here, and then I also keep my my tools for picking seaweed out in here. So I just put them inside this little bag, zip it up, good to go. So now let's open it up. It's got a great handle here on the top for holding. And then what you got here on the top shelf of the backpack is all the accessories. It comes with a plastic sheet that will basically protect the accessories. So we'll put that in last, but we'll pull the accessories stencil out. It's more of a template of where all of the materials go, or the accessories go. So we have our remote, put that here. Then we have our remote control bracket and our buoyancy weight. Our buoyancy weight goes right here in this little slot, like so. And then the bracket goes right over the top of it. Then we have the arm for the bracket, and that will go right here. Slides right in perfectly, as you can see, right there. And then we have actually the base station holder right here. That goes in like this. And then you're gonna notice there are a couple empty slots, and these empty slots are for cords and for the charging unit, okay? So we got our cords, we got our charging unit, then we take this, we put it in here like so. Take the plastic and zip it up for a nice, safe and secure spot. Now let's get to where the drone and the tether go. So we'll go ahead and open this up, flop this down, and basically you have like a carton here where the drone fits in nice and tight, nice and easy, and you don't have to worry about it moving around when you're traveling. It just fits in here nice and snug. It's not gonna get damaged. So let's go ahead and show you how that goes in. So what I do is I put, in the round part is gonna be your dive motors. In the back, you're gonna have the thrusters go into this little section right here. So go ahead and put that in there. Goes in nice and tight. Go ahead and push that over. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna grab our tether, which is here, and that goes right here on the side. Boom, all in one, right there. This backpack has saved my life on many, many occasions, because if I had all this stuff carrying it around and trying to get in and out of places, man, I might have slipped and fallen, broke my neck, done anything. You know, I was in La Jolla Shores today. That's not a really easy hike in to get to where you want to dive. So this thing was amazing, and it's just the best possible way, unless you go out and get like a, you know, a really expensive case for it. But for me, this thing works perfectly. It's really nice. It's super simple. I've said nice a million times, but I will keep on saying it. This thing is awesome. There we go. So now I'm ready. I'm gonna take off, and I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys later.